Simple looking equation has a surprising twist. So what if I told you the answer involves the golden ratio? So let's dive into solving. So 1 power x plus 3 power x is equals to 9 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So stay till the end. The final step is pure maths magic. So welcome to our maths journey. Today we are solving an exponential equation that blends simplicity with clever logic. So get your pen and paper and let's get this together. So by analyzing the equation, we can say that 1 power x is 1 for all real values of x. So 9 power x, we can write it as 3 square whole power x or 3 power 2x. So the equation becomes 1 plus 3 power x is equals to 3 power 2x. Now I'm taking a substitution. Let y is equals to 3 power x, then equation become 1 plus y is equals to y square, which we can rewrite it as y square minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation. Y is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square 4 times 1 times minus 1 by 2 times 1. So 1 plus minus under root 1 plus 4 by 2. So y is 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. Now recall the value of y, that is 3 power x. So we can write 3 power x is equals to 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. Now we will discard the negative case here because 3 power x is greater than 0. So 3 power x is equals to 1 plus root 5 by 2 only. Now I'm taking log on both sides. So log with base 10, 3 power x is equals to log 1 plus root 5 by 2. Now x, according to log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So it becomes x log 3 is equals to log 1 plus root 5 by 2. So x is equals to log 1 plus root 5 by 2 by log 3, which we can write it as x log 1 plus root 5 by 2 with base 3, which is approximately equals to 0.438. So isn't it amazing how a simple exponential equation leads us to the golden ratio? If you loved how we turned algebra into art, hit the like button, subscribe for more brain boosting math, and drop a comment. See you in the next video.